Good morning everyone. We just made the key for this beautiful 2022 Lexus UX300E, but what we wanted to show you today is how to start the vehicle in case your key fob battery is dead and you see a no key detected on the dash. So all you have to do is just to take the key fob, push it up against the push to start button, and the car will start. Okay, there is a chip inside and there is the chip reader right here, and then you will be able to start the vehicle even if you don't have any battery in the key fob. Of course, to get into the vehicle you can use the emergency key just to put it in the cylinder, and that's about it. Let us know what you think. Thank you.